You got it? There it is. Well, that took a long time. We missed the launch due to reasons we don't know. All right, bring it back. We'll send it again. Did you see the paper anywhere? Come here, how was it? Not bad. You guys lost sight of it, and that was only a B engine. Here we are at Chapin Beach launch area.
Are you filming?
Yeah. And there's nobody here with us.
Sorry. Yeah!
Come on, Nate. Did you guys see the paper at all? Look at the smoke from the ignition over there. That's kind of cool, huh?
Where?
Over there, if you can kind of see it. How was that, Nate? Nice job getting it.
After this, can we go? Mark, after this, can we go swimming down at the beach down by our place?
Okay, we'll see. It's kind of cold, Ben. It's only like 60 degrees.